Can you imagine how to become a millionaire in just a piece of a wood? Yes, just wait, because in this video I am going to show you what is the most expensive tree in the world. And take note, this tree can be found in Mindanao. Yes, you heard it right, as in Mindanao, as in here. Now, are you excited? Write your comment below and keep on watching till the end. Did you know that wild Aquilaria tree or agar wood is the most expensive tree in the world? It is also one of the most expensive in essential oil. That's why some call this the liquid gold. Agar wood plantation are becoming more common, especially in Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia. It is also found in the Philippines, particularly in some forest part of Visayas and Mindanao.
Lapnisan ang tawag sa punong ito o agar. Maraming pakinabang. Sa mga pinakaliblib na kagubatan ng Visayas at Mindanao, matatagpuan ang isang klase ng puno na ang katas in demand abroad.
Agarwood is native sa Philippines. There are about 20 agarwood species, 21, 22, up to 24 sa buong mundo. Pero kalahati po nun, native po sa Pilipinas. So that's how blessed the Philippines is.
The price of agar wood can reach up to 100,000 dollars or 5,700,000 pesos per kilogram for the highest quality pieces. This is also ranked as the most expensive tree in the world.
Agarwood is very expensive. Kung magtatanim ka, for example, ng 800 na puno sa isang hektarya, in 5 years, yung isang hektarya mo, it can produce 40 million pesos. Isang hektarya after 5 years.
Agar wood has been valued across different cultures and civilizations for thousands of years. It has various uses. Number 1. Perfumery and incense. One of the primary uses of agar wood is in the production of wood oil, which is considered one of the most luxurious and expensive perfume ingredients. Also, the chip and powder are burned as incense during religious ceremonies and meditation practices. The smoke is believed to have calming and spiritual uplifting effects. Number 2. Traditional medicine. It has been used in traditional Chinese, Ayurvedic, and Middle Eastern medicine for its supposed healing properties. It is believed to help with relieving stress and anxiety, improving digestion, treating respiratory problem, enhancing focus and mental clarity. Some studies suggest that agar wood may have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, supporting its use in herbal remedies. Number 3. Religious and spiritual significance. Agar wood holds deep spiritual and religious significance in various traditions. It is mentioned in ancient texts, including the Bible, Quran, and Buddhist scriptures. Many cultures used agar wood in temples, mosque, and meditation spaces due to its calming and grounding aroma.
Importante sa Kristiyano. Hindi lang natin alam. Nakasulat sa Biblia, Book of Acts, na si Nicodemus nung namatay si Jesus, pinahid niya yung agar wood sa katawan ni Jesus. So ito yung perfume na pinahid sa katawan ni Jesus. Also, in the book of Numbers sa Bible, nakasulat doon na like aloes planted by the Lord. Yung aloes na sinasabi sa Bible, sa Numbers, is actually agar wood. And even the Lord in the Bible is described to be planting agar wood, cultivating agar wood. Ganon siya ka-importante sa Christian life. If you read the Quran, mababasa mo that the Prophet Muhammad endorses the use of agar wood sa daily rituals ng Islam. Daily. It's not monthly, it's not weekly, it's the daily use of agar wood in Islam. Ganon kalaki yung demand ng agar wood sa Islam.
Number 4. Art and luxury items. Due to its rarity and beauty, agar wood is sometimes carved into beads, sculptures, and other ornamental items. These artifacts are often worn as jewelry or used in religious rituals. Given its high value, some people invest in agar wood as they would in gold and precious stones. The price of agar wood has been steadily rising, making its valuable asset. And due to over-harvesting and habitat destruction, agar wood or wild Aquilaria trees had becoming endangered. Many countries have imposed strictly regulations on agar wood harvesting, and international trade is controlled under the Convention on Trade in Endangered Species of Wildlife, Fauna, and Flora.
Mahigpit po yung policies ng international and yung local DNR for trading agar wood. Agar wood is internationally covered under CITES. CITES, ang ibig sabihin nito is Center for International Trade of Endangered Species. So ayon sa kanila, agar wood is endangered species, bawal siyang ibenta ng walang CITES permits, CITES export permit. Mahigpit ang regulations sa agar wood.
To address sustainable concerns, researchers and farmers have developed methods to cultivate agar wood, ensuring artificial inoculation. This is not only helps meet market demands but also reduces on pressures on wild trees. And a friendly reminder to please be aware that this is prohibited to harm or destroy any endangered species, most especially the agar wood. This is the act that protects the habitat or endangered species here in the Philippines, and it was passed in the year 2001. Now, you know. Do you have any suggestions, comments, reactions? Just let us know at the comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the reaction button. And of course, don't forget to share and follow. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.